Number 04. La Grisola. 15 second shot clock pass to number 04. Now we're number 22. 10 to shoot.
Nice one.
Cervelas. Pass to number 19. No good. Number 19 again. 2 points. Now we're number 8. La Grisola. Atang na naman sa number 6. No good. Rebound by number 4. 15 to shoot by Cervelas. Pass to number 19. No good. 10 second shot clock by number 04.
Ayun si Chuna!
Number 04, pass to La Grisola again. Binigay ka number 19, CK. 10 to shoot, pass to number 04. No good. Number 9.
Go, tune up.
Cervelas. Pass to number 19, no good.
Walang ka-shoot.
Shoot by number 04. Cervelas. Pass to number 04. Cervelas. Cervelas again. Pass to number 27. No good. Now number 04. Pass to number 22. No good. 10 to shoot. Number 06. No good again. 5 second shot clock.
Foul. Pasa mo!
Pass to the first rest, second shot.
Ban.
Ready, jumpers.
Balian tayo bukas. Para may kasama ko mabalian. Ganda lang yan. Tingnan ko ano. Nasalaksak sila.
Number 4, Cervelas. Pass to number 08. 10 to shoot. Number 6, La Grisola. 2 points by number 6. Pass to number 27, back to La Grisola. 26. Pass to number 19. No good. Ito na sa number 08, Cabañas. Attack na paint by number 08. No good. Rebound by number 19.
Rigo!
Cabañas again. 15 second shot clock by number 08.
Pasa niya kay Inka!
1 minute and 20 seconds. Cabañas again. Spin second by number 08.
Wow!
Last 45 seconds. 15 second shot clock by La Grisola. Shot clock running down by 10. Number 6. Now with number 29. Pass to number 19. 5 second shot clock by number 08. No good.
Si Ingo. Basket. Ay, sayang. Ingo.
Number 08, Cabañas. Pass to number 6, La Grisola. 15 to shoot by number 6. La Grisola at sa 3. No good.
Iyo to?
Number 27. No good. 10 to shoot by Pablo. No good again. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 26.
Makaputa.
Number 19, 15 second shot clock. Pass to number 6. 10 second shot clock by number 29. Back to number 27. 5 second shot clock by number 29. Rebound by number 29. Number 29. No good.
Wala na.
Number 08, Cabañas. Nawala ang bola na. La Grisola again. No good. Rebound by number 19.
Lahat na may up gago. Sashe, rebound.
Cabañas pass to number 27.
Ayan, sayang naman.
15 second shot clock by number 29. Nawala ang bola.
Ay!
to bounce by number
Yak talaga ako, tangina. Pinapya ko lang naman yun, eh.
15 to shoot. La
Joke
Grisola
lang.
foul.
Joke lang. Who up?
Inko,
Inko up.
sumut ka.
Shoot up.
Pass to the first row, second shot.
Inko, sumut ka.
Ay, wag ka mga
Kita ka sa video, Inko.
Kita ka sa video, Inko up.
Inko up.
Ay, nakita na.
Para si Pablo Cabañas, ata na naman sa number 08 to
Ang
bounce.
galing.
5 minutes remaining side. La Grisola, ata na naman si number 6, no good.
Nasiray ka lang doon kay ano eh. Ay, kakay.
10-second shot clock, number 19, back shot, no good.
Nasiray ka lang.
Oh!
Malas.
Balas up. No up.
So once again, plus La Grisola.
Chun,
Sige, salo.
Burgas ka. Ay! Taran tayo. Saluhin mo, saluhin mo.
Pass ng center.
161 ako, 161.
15-second shot clock by Cervelas.
Ito.
10-second shot clock na Rigo again. Cervelas again. It's traveling violation. Namin surfer, namin
Kasi bigay
surfer.
kami siya.
To bounce, may namin surfer.
Ay! Tingko.
Wala na
Cabañas, pass to La Grisola. To bounce.
Oh, grabe ka naman kay Kuya. Si Chun.
Akaw, tangino.
Uy.
Pass to Guerrero. Side shot by number surfer.
Shot mo, John. Babalik daw si Bon.
Substitution ulit.
Shot!
Meron!
15 to shoot. Cabañas.
Yan, kasi eh, wala, nagtitago.
10 seconds para naman surfer.
Ah, tanga!
Ah,
La Grisola. Nice fake by number 6. Foul.
sayang. Shoot mo, Kuya.
Go,
Shot.
Kuya Iji! Teka. Wala.
Second base, no? Second shot for Lee Jambos.
Go, Kuya Luigi!
Ayun, kuha. Nice one. Ito.
10 second shot clock.
Naku naman.
Violation. Number 4, Cervelas. 15 second shot clock by number 08. 10 to shoot by Pablo.
Naku nga.
Number 19. Number 08. 15 second shot clock by Cabañas. Cabañas sa atake si number 08. No good. La Grisola again. Atake si number 6 reverse. No good.
Sayang.
Guerrero.
Ang galing umagawa. Balik mo kay Tone.
Ha?
Ha, ano daw? Ano daw?
Arbrams, pero
Ito! Agis!
Ayun na!
Nagrisola. Number 6, Professor Charles sa offensive foul. Number 26, 15 to shoot by Rico. 10 to shoot, pass to number out of bounds, Bernal Van.
Ayan! Ayan!
15 to shoot, number 27. Pass to number 08. Pablo again. Back to number 22. No good. Rebound by Cabañas. 10-second shot clock.
Ah!
Defensive foul by number 08. Cabañas again. Hesitation by number 08. Nawala ang bola na ako number 19. Binigay by number 6. Lagrisona out of bounds. Lagrisona naman ng atake si number 6. Foul, foul, foul number 6. Bonus shot by number 6. Basta ng bonus na. Bola. Number 6. Then number 6. Foul. First shot, no good. Second shot, 28 jumpers. The ball, pass to number 27, wide open, no good. Rebound to number 26. 3 minutes and 30. 15 to shoot by number 08, pass to number 27. Back to Cerruelas, number 4, to Bryce.
Nice
Now
one!
number 4. Number 4, crossover by number 4, pass to number 29, number 29, mid-range jumper, no good. Now one in number 4, Cervelas, back to number 29, no good. 10-second shot clock by Pablo.
Naku
3
nga!
seconds. 15-second shot clock by number 14. Pass to number 8. 10 to shoot, back to number 01, no good. One minute and 45 seconds. Cabañas. No good. Rebound by number 08. 15 to shoot. Cabañas again. No good again. Rebound by number 22. 10-second shot clock. Pass to number 6.
Dito oh!
5-second shot clock.
Naku nga! Baba!
1 minute
Ay!
and 32 seconds. Foul by number 10 seconds. Nagrisala na naman ng atake sa number 6. No good.
Utang ina!
Ay! Ay!
1 minute.
Foul!
Foul. Number 22. Pacheo. Back to number 22. Foul.
Naku
First
nga!
shot for him. Second shot for the Jackals.
Agaw! Agaw! Agaw!
Last 42 seconds.
Agaw! 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 Agawin nyo!
Foul by number 2. Number Slagrizona. No good. Foul. No good. Foul by number